welcome to my channel. It's Ignesa's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on your post notification. Today, I'm going to share with you another recipe, which is orange cake. I'm so excited to share with you this recipe.
We start off by adding 5 egg whites on a hand mixer and mix that very well until it's very fluffy. To see if the egg whites are done, put on a fork on a bowl, and then if it stands, then it's all good. On a bowl, add your sugar and then your egg yolk, and then you start mixing that very well, and then you'll notice that the color gets lighter, and that only means that you're doing well, you're on the right track. Right after that, we add our all-purpose cream, and then again we start mixing and making sure that all ingredients are very well incorporated. And then we add the oil, and then back to mixing. After that, clean your orange and then start grating the peel. Please don't go too deep into the orange because you might have a bitter kind of flavor, and then remove the juice right after, and then you start adding both into your cake mix. After that, we add our baking powder and our flour, mix that very well, and then we start adding the flour and the baking powder onto our cake mix, you guys. I am saying this because it is important. You should add it gradually and making sure that everything is very well incorporated. Don't just add everything at once because we do want a beautiful cake. On to the final steps, you guys. We are to add our egg whites, and again, be patient, you guys. Add it gradually, and yeah, at the end of the day, we do want a beautiful cake. After mixing, you guys, we then come down into putting our cake mix finally onto our baking pan. We make sure it's greased, and or you can add parchment paper and then bake for 45 minutes.
It's now time to taste. My absolute favorite part of the video again, you guys. Let me see. Big bite. Whoa. Wait a minute, you guys. This is way too good to talk right now. Sorry. This right here is beautiful cake. This is absolute my new favorite fruit cake. You know, it's orange, it's fruit cake. Like, it's so good.
like super good. Like, guys, this cake is absolutely amazing. Like, it's so delicious. Like, it's not even like super sweet, so for people who don't like super sweet cakes, this is the perfect cake for you. And plus it's fruit cake, you guys. I absolutely recommend this cake for everyone, for anyone. If you're like a mom, your kids are definitely gonna love this. I love it. Like, it's my new favorite cake. That's it. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you guys get alerted whenever my mom posts. And yeah, guys, bye.